is variable, right? So in variable we store the value which can be accessed for multiple purpose, multiple operations. Okay, it is stored in some memory, and when you assign the value, it is stored in the memory, and after that, after some time, when you need that variable, you can access it and you can perform the operation on it. Okay, so today we will just learn how to assign a value in the variable, how to access a variable. There are two more things in the variable which everyone should know. First is read only variable, means if you want to not change the variable value, you can assign that variable as read only variable. And other is you can unset a variable where you can assign different value. Also you can unset for different purposes. So we will learn all those things today. Okay, write it like that. First we need to know that what is the convention of variable in the shell script. So we can use capital letters from A to Z, also number 0 to 9, as well as we can use underscore. That is the convention. So for example, if I write like this is a right convention. This is also a right convention. Okay. Now you can see here place is the variable name and India is its value. So we have assigned a value to a place variable. Okay, so assigning is done. If we want to access this variable, we have to use echo dollar in dollar place. Okay, now this will access your variable. So if you will run this shell script, it will print the value inside the variable. It is printing or not. Okay, so first we have to give the permission of executable. Okay, now I will run it. It will print variable India. Okay, so this is how you will access the variable. If I will say read only place India. Okay, that means I do not want my variable to be modified later in the program, right? That's why I have put read only syntax there before place variable. Okay, so now if I will just say place equal to United States, it will not print United States, it will print both time India. So let's just see. Yeah, you can see it has say print India 2 times. Also it has says that why it has not assigned United States to place variable, because it is a read only variable. Okay, so in read only variable we cannot assign value again. It will be only assigned at the time of initialization. Unset syntax. Unset syntax, if we want to use, unset syntax will do what? Unset place. So it will, here what I have done, I have run the command unset. After that I have print the place variable. After that I have assigned place to United States. So what it will do, in the first echo it will not print anything because we are unsetting the value of place variable. But again, we are assigning the value to the place variable, so it will print United States too. So it will just only print United States, and no, so it has just print United States. Okay, so I think you have all understood that how to assign a value to a variable in the shell script, also how to access that variable, how to print that variable, okay, and how to use a variable with read-only syntax so that it cannot be modified in the operation later. Also, what is unset syntax in the shell script. So I hope that you are enjoying my videos and learning something and practicing it also. And if you're new to my channel and you are interested to learn about coding and all those things, so please subscribe to my channel and recommend to other people who want to learn. Thank you.